I'm just wondering how long this old boy's gonna keep watching me. I mean, he'll sit here as long as I do. And I noticed on the earlier videos, just gonna look back a couple, I think when my cameras, I mean, they were like, they can get right up on you and you don't know it. I mean, they can literally get right up on you. You never see them. And they can expand. Like he's doing there. Listen, I said expand. Look at that. Can you go back small and you expand again? Wow. We're still friends though, right? Even though you got a spy on me. Okay. See that paranormal stuff? It's like a B-rated Scooby-Doo horror movie, you know? Oh, you turn face. Ooh, yeah. Very mean, yeah. Oh, I felt did you see how it shot energy on my camera, my iPhone, and just, you felt the wave? Okay, don't be mean to me. I very much understand you can take me out, absolutely. I shouldn't be joking. You may not have a sense of humor. You got one, don't you? Your sense of humor, please. We're still friends, right? Yeah. Well, they're yelling at me in the air, it looks like. Those pulses, you can see it on your iPhone. Hey man, I'm just curious. I just want to know what the deal is. That's all it is.